Unleash your creativity and enroll now in our graphics designing training course. Kayo ba kabayan? Gusto niyo bang matuto gumawa ng mga stunning graphics at artwork gamit ng computer? Gusto niyo ba maging certified bilang graphics designer? Ito na ang chance niyo. Enroll now and master the essential tools that every graphic designer needs. Adobe Photoshop, powerful photo editing and creative design projects. Adobe Illustrator, perfect for logos, icons, and vector artworks. CorelDRAW, professional graphics software. CorelDRAW, professional graphics software for logos, layouts, and many more. Adobe InDesign, ideal for brochures, magazines, and publication layouts. Why choose our graphics designing training course? Alam mo ba, graphics designing is isa sa mga fastest growing industry sa buong mundo. Maraming kumpanya ay naghahanap ng mga skilled graphics designers para ma-promote ang mga products nila at services nila. Pwede kang maging freelancer at makakuha ng international clients kahit nasa bahay ka lang. Personal man or professional ang goal mo, ang graphics designing skills ay sa isang malaking mga advantage sa panahon ngayon. So, pwede po natin tapusin ang graphics designing training course po namin within 3 to 4 months. Available po ito for online and face-to-face class. Ang online class po namin is live interactive class via Zoom. Meaning, present po si instructor throughout ng class. Ang pinakamaganda po dito is flexible po ang schedule namin. Meaning, pwede po kayo mag-join anytime, any day, basta within office timings po namin. Pwede po kayo mag-attend ng class once a week, every day off, twice a week, or 3 times a week po. And after nyo po matapos ang course, makaka-receive po kayo ng certificate from ICSA, which is CPD accredited na. Dito sa ICSA, gagabayin ka namin step by step para ma-achieve nyo yung goal mo kahit beginner ka lang. Matuto kung paano mag-express ng creativity, magbuo ng portfolio, at i-level up ang career mo. Ngayong kabayan, grab this chance and take your first steps in becoming a professional graphics designer. Limited seats available. Reserve your slot now down in the description below. You can also comment or message us directly in our WhatsApp number +965 66 80 35 40. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you next time, not as a viewer but as one of our students here in ICSA. This is Miss Marjorie with ICSA, your partner in success.